Hey, Perea Panthers, welcome back to the writing workshop. We will be writing a narrative today featuring the letter D. So as always, I strongly encourage that you watch this video 2 times. The first time, just watch it through to see what we're doing. The second time, have all your materials ready to go and do it with me. There's no rush. If you want to take a couple days to write your narrative, feel free. That's what we would do in the classroom anyway. Your materials, something to write with, paper, crayons to draw a picture that goes with your story, and our fire write. Quick 60 seconds, we're gonna write like our hand is on fire. We're not gonna stop, don't give up, keep writing the full time. Every word you can think of that starts with our letter of the day, which is the letter D. Isn't that little dinosaur so cute? Oh my gosh. Dinosaur starts with the letter D. You might also think of some other words that start with D for your list, like dance or doctor. Those two are for free. That's all you get. Okay. So I think we're ready to start. We're going to do our brain dump of a fire write. We're not going to give up. Don't worry about spelling. We just want to get all our ideas down on the paper. Ready, set, go. Okay, y'all know if y'all need to have more time, you can have more time, right? Okay, it's not really a rush. All right, when I did this, these are the words that I came up with. I came up with 18 words. Ooh. My first word on my list is dog. Then I have dig, dinner, dinosaur, dimples, desk, Derek, door, dentist, danger, dandelion, daffodil, dig. Oh, I see I did dig twice. That doesn't count. Dance, doom, doctor, different, and date. All right. Now, I'm going to do my think aloud. My imagination is charged up. And I'm going to share with you all the ideas that pop into my head when I see each word on my list. And some of these words, I don't really think of anything. And that's okay. You might feel that way too. My first word, dog. Maybe my main character can be a dog. I don't know. Maybe my main character has a dog. Dig. Dogs like to dig. Dinner. Maybe my character is feeding his dog dinner. You don't know. Maybe my main character can be a dinosaur. That'll be cool. Haven't written about a dinosaur yet. Maybe my dinosaur has dimples. You know, the little dents in your cheek when you smile. Desk. Maybe he's in school. Maybe he's sitting at his desk. Maybe he needs to clean his desk out. Derek. I have a cousin named Derek. So maybe my dinosaur's name can be Derek. I don't know. We'll see. Door. I don't know. I'm not getting anything for door. Dentist. Maybe my main character can go to the dentist. Or maybe he can be a dentist. We'll see. We have danger. I don't want any of my characters to be in danger. I want this to be a nice, safe story. Dandelion, that's a type of flower. And daffodil is also a type of flower. Maybe my main character is a gardener. I don't know. Actually, I think dandelions are weeds. But to me, they're flowers in my heart. It's okay. Dance. Oh, we can have a field of dancing dandelions and daffodils. That would be so cute. Doom. That word means like something bad's gonna happen. I don't want any doom in my story. We want to have hope. Doctor. Again, maybe my character can be a doctor, or maybe they have a doctor's appointment or something. I don't know. Different. Not sure about different. And my last word, date. We can talk about date as in today is April 6, 2020, or we can think about a date, like going on a date. Maybe my main character can go on a date in my story. I like that. So let me see. Of all the words, you might get to the point where you want to scratch some things out. Like, oh, I don't want to use that in my story. And you'll take some words off your list. And then you'll be left with all the things you like. So the things that I like, I think I want my character to have a dog, pet dog. I want him to go to dinner at some point. I think I like that dinosaur. My main character is going to be a dinosaur. And you know what? His name is going to be Derek, just like my cousin. And I think Derek, he's going to go to the dentist. He's going to have a dentist appointment. And what else? I think, you know what? Derek, he's going to like to dance. Just like my actual cousin, Derek. Derek the dinosaur, he's going to like to dance too. And he's going to go on a date. Yep. I've decided those are all the things I like best. That's what I want in my story. Now that I scratched out the things that I don't like and I have all the things that I want in my story, that's going to help me get organized. So I have my graphic organizer here, very top box, the topic sentence. I'm going to let my audience know what my whole story is going to be about. All about Derek the dinosaur. In the middle, all those boxes are all the details that are going to take place in our story. I think we're going to talk about Derek's day. I think that's what we can do for our story today. And then our closing sentence is going to be very similar to our topic sentence. It's going to wrap it up. It's like the bow on top of the gift of our narrative. Yes, we're ready. Topic sentence. Derek the dinosaur got a lot of things done today. See his little checklist down at the bottom? He got a lot of things done. First, Derek went to the dentist. Look at his dentist. His dentist is a bird. Oh my gosh. Next, Derek went to dance class. You see those dinosaurs down there? They're trying to dab. Their arms are too short. Then Derek took his dog for a walk. So cute. Last, Derek took his wife, Denisha, on a date. Our closing sentence, Derek sure had a busy day today. So Derek was feeling just like SpongeBob. Oh, he got a lot of things done. Let's put it all together. Derek the dinosaur got a lot of things done today. First, Derek went to the dentist. Next, Derek went to dance class. Then, Derek took his dog for a walk. Last, Derek took his wife, Denisha, on a date. Derek sure had a busy day today. Oh, I'm adding words. It just says day. Derek sure had a busy day. Y'all, we have done it again. We wrote another narrative. Give yourself a round of applause. You are becoming quite the young writer. I'm just so proud of all the work you're putting in while you're at home. I hope you're sharing your stories with your families and absolutely share it with us. Make sure you take a picture. And if you would like, on Seesaw, hit that record button, that little microphone. Share your story with us out loud, and we will love to share your story with everyone on Facebook. Again, please keep continuing to learn while you're at home, and we are just so excited to see that you're continuing to grow. Everyone take care.